Hi guys, so today we're going to have a go at fitting the Coolerworx shifter. Been after this for a while and I haven't had the car for a bit, but now I've got a little bit of time, see what we can do and let's hopefully get her fitted. So after you've taken the shrouds off, there's 3 T25 screws you have to take out to remove the whole of this console, and then that will give us the access that we need to the shifter. So once you've undone the torque screws, this whole piece, then you unclip it and pull it back, and then just got to flip it over and have a look at the connections on the back. Best thing to do is remove them, and then you got enough space to work on the shifter then. So we'll go ahead, take them off. When the center console shroud is off and all the cables are disconnected, so we need to unhook the selector cables here and here, and then there's 4 bolts that we need to undo, and then we can remove the original shifter. So that's the old shifter out. Time to get the Coolerworx shifter prepped, set screws in, and hopefully get it in the car. So here we go then. Let's have a look, see what we've got. And there it is, the new Coolerworx shifter. So it looks really well made. Within the kit you get everything that's needed to obviously fit the shifter. So you've got these ones, they're your set screws, grub screws that have to go in the shifter, and that will set all your positions. So we'll go ahead and we'll get them in. They provide the Allen keys with it, which is really good. And then they're the fixing bolts to bolt it back into the car. And then these are the cable ends. So you have to cut the ones off that are in the RS, and then you have to fix these ones on so you get a firmer shifting response. To get your new Coolerworx shifter in, you will have to cut this bit of plastic out here. It's just so that you can slide the shifter in and get it into place. So on these ball joint connectors on the end of the gear cables, you have to get this little clip in. A little bit awkward. Once that is on there, sorry, trying to film this and get this in might be awkward, but you have to slot it through there, and then you should be able to just push that pin over. So then all you have to do is rotate that to lock it around the end of the ball joint connector. So I'm not going to lie, putting them retaining clips in for them ball joint connectors is an absolute pain. I can't even begin to explain what the easiest way is. I think I just got it on there more luck than anything else, if I'm honest. But we are now connected onto the new Coolerworx shifter. So next thing is to just secure the cables at the back with these push locks, and then, which I need 2 hands for, and then we're going to secure the shifter in place, and then it's time to start setting it up and making sure everything works okay.